Hello, I'm Mark Friedman. I'm a project manager for Red Sky Solutions, and as we are doing our business process review with our clients to determine what the requirements are, I oftentimes get this basic question: can we do this in Salesforce.com? And the answer typically is yes. When we have the Enterprise Edition, we have the ability to use automated workflow, we have the ability to use triggers, and those two are really within the context of Salesforce.com, pretty standard stuff. But we also have the ability to do advanced programming in Visualforce. What I wanted to do is take just a little bit of time and say, what's the difference between automated workflow and a trigger? So an automated workflow allows the system to say, okay, if something changes on this page, on this record, then go ahead and do something, and it is based on those actions on that record. So for instance, if I updated a stage on an opportunity, I could also then use that to trigger a task. I can update another field, I can send an email alert. So there are a couple things we can do on that record. But a lot of times my clients want to say, okay, so if I have an opportunity and I win it, close one, and the stage changes to that, what I really would like to do is go back to the account record and change a field that we normally put on called account class. I'd like to change it from prospect to customer. And that requires a trigger. A trigger is like automated workflow in that we can have a criteria on the record trigger a change, but this change can actually be done on a separate object, such as moving from a change on the opportunity record and make then a change on the account record. Another example, especially in call centers where we are doing a lot of work with leads, is if the task on the log a call changes from call disposition equals this or call disposition equals that, what we want to do is go back to the lead record and update the lead status field. And we can do that within the context of Salesforce.com, but that requires a trigger, and the automated workflow won't allow us to do that. Thank you.